Lo mein translates to mixed or tossed noodles. It's one of the most popular Chinese takeout dishes. Today we'll cook it at home and I'm sure you'll love it. How to make chicken lo mein so it's better than any takeout place? You have to check this out. Here we have some chicken breast. You can also replace it with other types of protein. In a mixing bowl, place the chicken breast inside. Season it with salt, white pepper, rice wine, egg white, and cornstarch slurry. I have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Both the egg white and cornstarch slurry are going to make the chicken extra tender. How do you normally marinate your chicken? Please comment below and share with us. Marinate it for 15 minutes. In a bowl, mix together the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, water, and white pepper. Whisk. In a pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. Cook the lo mein for about 3 minutes until al dente. You can also replace it with other types of noodles that you enjoy. Rinse under cold water to stop cooking. Drain the noodles. In a wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil and the chicken. Stir fry for about 4 minutes until completely cooked through. Remove. In the same wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the onion, shiitake mushrooms, carrot, snap peas, and red bell pepper. Stir fry until aromatic for about 30 seconds. So what other ingredients you would like to put in the lo mein? Please comment below and share with us. In the same wok, return the lo mein, chicken, and the sauce. Stir fry everything together. Lastly, add the scallions. When you cook lo mein at home, you can add lots of healthy vegetables and proteins inside. It makes it a healthier and tastier choice. In my opinion, this is way better than takeout. What do you think? Happy cooking and enjoy! This is absolutely amazing. The chicken is so tender and the noodle is cooked until al dente. The aroma is amazing. I just love it. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode also. So please subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. And I will see you again soon. Bye!